these are the biggest mistakes I see when exploring with your 11 to 12 Explorer. And we see them all the time. And unfortunately, if you do them, it makes exploring not as successful as you want it to be. So the first one is too tight of a grasp. If you have any kind of pressure on the Explorer, if I can't take this out of your hand, it is going to prevent you from adapting and feeling as well. The next one is going too fast. Sometimes when we explore, we want to go fast. We just go like this, but it really helps prevent us from feeling as much. Another thing that we notice a lot is right at the line angles, people miss there. It's the where we turn our instruments. So we go distal line angle back and then distal line angle mesial. But if we go fast, sometimes we miss that little junction between the two. So go slow, hang back just a little bit to ensure you're getting that line angle. And then the third one is using, or the last one is using the incorrect end. It's easy to be like, oh, it's so tiny and small. If I use the incorrect end, it's not a big deal. But really it is how these instruments are designed. That tip end will be coming off the tooth on the incorrect position. You're going to miss calculus. You're not going to be able to get subgingivally as much as you can. So using the correct working end is so important to ensure you're getting all the way subgingival and removing that calculus, or feeling it, I should say, so then you can actually remove it. So go super slow. Exploring is definitely a skill that takes a lot of practice. So don't be shy to go slow and ensure you can kind of practice that feeling difference, especially when we're subgingivally and we can't see what's going on. We're doing it all by feel.